We want to talk about the origin of Stella, of this build. So I remember you and I ran into each other.
Yeah.
Actually, we met in Daikoku in Japan, right? Briefly.
Before.
Yeah, like, but I didn't know you were part of Adro.
At the time,
yeah. At the time. And then we were at the Düsseldorf, Germany Ultra Race.
April this year.
April of this year. And I had just gotten the new final edition Supra. I actually got it in April, I think right around my birthday, April 8th. And then
when was the Ultra Race? Like it's later.
A little later. I know it was a little later.
Yeah.
And then we were at the Ultra Race promoting a drifter, and there was like a fan meet and greet, and all of a sudden, Tricky shows up because he was waiting in line, and he has this BBS T-shirt.
Yeah.
And I was like, hey, that's a really nice T-shirt, and he's like, oh, I work for BBS Germany. I didn't know there was a BBS Germany. He's like, yeah, recently KW had purchased BBS, and now BBS Germany is actually producing wheels.
Actually, we should thank Ivo because of him, we're sitting here. So I was in Düsseldorf with my co-worker Daniel. Ivo is his friend. So we went there. Ivo was talking like all day about meeting you. And nobody of us wanted to stay in line because the line was so long. And at the end of the day, I sacrificed myself to stand in line with him. I just said, let's see how long it takes. And it took maybe 10 minutes to get to you. And then you saw my shirt, which said BBS, and then we were talking.
I said, we need to just wait here.
We need to talk.
Yeah, we need to talk, so just wait here. And then I'm gonna call Corey, because we exchanged phone numbers.
Yeah.
And then we went upstairs, we started talking about bringing Stella to life, this car to life. Is that recollection correct?
Yeah, right.
Yeah, pretty much. And I was like, there was one of my friends, and he was like calling me, hey, Corey, Song is looking for you. I was like, Song King, you mean? I was like, where is he? I was running, and then like in the main event hall, we just ran into each other. And I was like, hey, you from Adro, right? You Corey. And then we started talking about this thing, and the meeting happened on the next day, I guess. You texted me like, there's a Koenigsegg booth, and come up in the second floor meeting room. I was like, I didn't even know that there was a room. And I went in there, and you were there, started talking. Larry was there too. So,
yeah. And then we started talking. He said KW actually owns BBS. And I was like, hey, my friend Chris Marion, he actually works for KW in America. So we FaceTimed you. And then all four of us started to talk about this idea. And really, I have to give credit to Larry Chen, because when I first got the stock car, I was telling Larry, because Larry has a Supra as well.
Yeah.
And I told him, I said, the car is actually really wonderful, just the way it is. And then he's saying, hey, Sung, it's our responsibility to support the aftermarket industry. If you modify your car, it'll inspire other people to support that. And I've always believed that go to the car and you actually don't give birth to the car. And actually the car actually comes to you and the idea comes to you. So I feel like all these ingredients, my close friend in LA that was part of Drifter, that is part of car culture, that is one of the most passionate car people I know, happens to work at KW, right? And also BBS is now in Germany. Larry actually introduced me to Adro, because I was like, well, you're gonna modify your Supra? And he's like, yeah, have you seen the Adro kit? And I was like, yeah, I've seen it online. I mean, it's actually so simple. And then I found out it's actually a Korean company. So I was like, wow, I didn't know this type of aftermarket existed out of Korea. So that really excited me. So again, it was really Larry pushing to go, hey, if you have an opportunity, you should try. And what I love about this, guys, is that at my age, to do a wide body car that is really loud, it's I don't know, I feel like that time in my life has passed. But this, with the Adro kit and the BBS and the KWs and the Magnaflows and all the elements to it, it's to me, it's everything that I wished I had in a sports car, right? That I could daily drive, that I could take into the canyons, and if I want to take it to the track, it's functional as well. And so I just really want to say thank you for your guys' contribution, being in my life, bringing Stella to life,
Thanks for having us.
Yeah.
It's great that we can put something together and we can all work together and build the community out and build new friendships and meet new people and give something cool a kickoff.
Yes, thank you for the project.
Yeah.
Just like you said, it's all about, you know, community and people around you making another memorable experiences through the path, you know. So thank you.
Yeah, thank you guys. I think people are gonna ask like, why did I name her Stella? And so if you look at this crest, this was actually inspired by I looked up online, like the Düsseldorf, the town we were in, where we met, the Düsseldorf flag. And so the green and the, you know, I guess the maroon, right? And this crest was in a way like representing that town. So we were actually doing rolling shots around the town with the A86 Lola replica. And everybody was actually from Poland, so nobody was from that town. They didn't know where all the landmarks were. So we found this neighborhood with like these buildings that had all this graffiti on it. And we found out it was like a real famous, like, you know, place in Düsseldorf, but there were too many cars, so we couldn't do a photo shoot there. This woman and her brother came down. You know, they were just like watching us, and they asked us, "Are you out of town? And what are you doing here?" And we're telling them that, you know, there's a car show, and they happen to be, you know, fans of Fast and Furious. And I asked her, I said, "You know, what's your name?" And her name was Stella, and she was a baker. She baked bread in the morning, and I asked her, "Could you help us, like, kind of pinpoint some landmarks that would be a great backdrop to shoot, you know, some photos?" And so she spent all day with us, her and her brother, took us around everywhere, translated for us. I mean, she was just a really wonderful host and an ambassador for the town. And then the next day she came to the car show. We were really like undermanned, so she sat there all day and translated and like sold like t-shirts for us and cleaned up, and I was just like, you know, really moved by, you know, her generosity and her spirit. And I was like, not only is she beautiful on the outside, but inside she is even more beautiful. And to me, I was like, oh, that is actually the perfect name for this car, because she's functional, she's beautiful on the outside, she's so balanced, and just a great memory of the time that we met, you know, in Düsseldorf. You know?
You're telling us this story for the first time.
Yeah.
I never knew that. Yeah.
Oh, you didn't know this?
Oh.
Yeah. I know,
yeah.
like, why it is Stella. Like, I was curious.
Yeah, we'll send her pictures of the car, and, you know, now that she's done, so we'll say, you know, I didn't tell her I was going to do that either. Yeah, everything came together with this car.
It's timing, right? Everything's here. You know, getting the car set up and dialed in was one of the harder things, right? And Tricky came, and, you know, with the Unlimited program, we have a bunch of offsets to fix the wheel spacers, so it's dialed in right out of the box. So that's why we can get this kind of like stance and fitment, ride height with the V3s and all the KW components on there. You know, cancelers to stop all the lights from turning on. And so it's like a complete package. So you're not worried about, you know, is this not gonna work, right? Everything's direct bolt on, it's easy to go. So you can kind of do it over a weekend, right? Like this was kind of, if you had the capacity to do it over a weekend, you kind of can do this over a weekend.
It's like a kind of DIY, if you will, you know. Fortunately, you guys have the US headquarters here, right?
Yeah,
and
we were able to manage it, like, thanks to Preston.
yeah, thanks to Preston.
Tons of work for this car.
Who deserves a lot of like credit.
He's the glue and kind of organizing all of this and keeping everything on track and making sure the build's going. And
But also, Tricky, I want to thank you, because I know this is your vacation time, and, you know, you came all the way out here to be a part of this, you know, to make sure.
Yeah, it's a pleasure. It's a pleasure being here, seeing this. I mean, look at it. It's just amazing, right? The fitment is perfect. The car is perfect.
I just want to say thank you, everybody, for joining us this evening. For Stella, Adro brought its vision for design and aerodynamics. KW suspension gave the car its stance, balance, and connection to the road. BBS, with the LM2 wheels, brought a design with history and heritage behind it. And Yokohama wheels connects all of that performance to the pavement. And then we have GReddy, who represents the performance culture that so many of us grew up admiring and being inspired by. And then King's Auto Body brought the craftsmanship, patience, and human touch necessary to turn all of these individual pieces into a cohesive car. And then we have Magnaflow. They gave the Supra its voice, a sound and character that lets you feel the personality of the car before you even see her. There are hands on this car. There are late nights behind it. There are conversations, disagreements, solutions, ideas, friendships, and years of experience in every detail. And now, let's meet Stella.